Hello, my name's Andrew and I'm here to show you how JIBB works. To use JIBB you need two components. First being a camera, which could be a webcam as I've got here, or a built-in webcam on your laptop. And you need a writing surface, which could be a sheet of paper or a whiteboard like I've got behind me. Once you have those two things, you can create your JIBB workspace, which I'm going to show you how to get started. First, I'm going to go into the control panel and I'm going to choose my surface and input, which will be whiteboard and webcam. Now, once I've selected my webcam and surface, I can turn the camera preview on and use it to make sure that I'm aiming at my whiteboard like so. This is a very important step because to use JIBB, no matter what surface and no matter what camera you're using, your camera always needs to be able to see the whole writing surface. And in this case, I'm adjusting my webcam. To continue, I could choose to use manual surface detection where I can manually select where I want to be writing. But in this case, I'm going to use automatic detection by just pressing start to explain how JIBB's technology works. So I'm going to click start. It's also important to move out of the way during the first immediate detection so that JIBB can see through your camera at the whole writing surface. So I've clicked start and I'm going to wait for it to say detecting surface, and as soon as it says start writing, I can actually get up and start showing you what's going to happen. So with my camera completely still and my writing surface completely still, I'm going to draw a graph here. So as you can see, it's appearing inside my workspace. Now, I can actually walk in front of the surface like this. It doesn't matter because JIBB is actually capturing images of this surface, and using our AI technology, we can tell the difference between objects such as people, whiteboard markers, and we can tell the difference between writing and a clean surface. Now I'm going to show you how to use JIBB with your webcam and a piece of paper, or a mini whiteboard or lapboard as they're also known. So to begin with, I'm going to open my control panel. I'm going to make sure that paper is selected as my surface, my input is selected as webcam, and then I'm going to turn my camera preview on like so. Now, because I'm using my built-in webcam, I can tilt my screen forward like this. I'm going to place my piece of paper so that it's fitting inside the camera preview, and then I'm just going to click start. I'm going to move out of the way so that the automatic detection can see the whole surface, and as you can see, it's telling me to start writing, and you can see that I've already written some text. I'm just going to draw a circle. That's how it goes. Now I'm going to show you how to use the lapboard in very much the same way. So I'm going to move my paper out of the way. So again, I'm going to open my control panel, and again, I'm going to make sure that paper is selected, because I'm going to use my lapboard exactly the same way I would use a piece of paper, flat on the desk or table in front of me. So I'm going to move the laptop a little bit further away this time because the surface is bigger. And I'm going to say turn the camera preview on and tilt it forward. I'm going to move my pen out of the way, make sure the whole thing fits there. Click start, move my hands out of the way. It's going to detect the surface and tell me to start writing. I reckon. Hey. Now, if you don't have a built-in webcam like inside a laptop, you can also use an external USB webcam like this one, where I could put it on top of my computer monitor and aim it up and down like this to get the same result. So anyway, thank you for watching, and please visit our website to learn more.